Welcome to this Creekside Eichler time capsule in Lucas Valley, where mid-century modern magic is alive and well. So come on in and take a tour with me. If you didn't get enough mid-century magic inside, why don't you come outside and enjoy the beautiful Creekside location in the secluded Japanese Zen-style yard. The tour of this home was as magical as I had promised. I'm Renee Adelman with Eichler for Sale. Please call 415 Eichler for more information on this property or to see it in person.